Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Witch's Bounty box, and I'm super excited because out of all the months of the year it is Halloween month. It's the most magical month of the year, so let's open this up. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below. And do you guys like my little magical cloak? Let's see. Ooh, Spirit of the Owl, guys. So the theme for this month is of mystery and magic. It says, witchcraft and the occult have often been described as lost traditions filled with unattainable knowledge and wisdom. It is within these mysteries that we can find the greatest source of guidance and mindful treasures. As practitioners, we are on a continual path of growth. This includes ongoing research, practice, and an undying thirst to understand and comprehend. We are wise enough to know that our perceptions of the world are the keys to unlocking new ideas and emotional connections with the world around us. Available to everyone who's willing to take the time to understand, the magical manuscripts of old can contain knowledge and wisdom of 1,000 years. In this very special collection, we work with the energies of a specific spirit guide to reawaken our passion for understanding our magical world and reality. The magical items in the box are as follows. Ooh! How amazing, guys, and the artwork is very beautiful with like a girl holding like an owl mask, so I'm assuming like knowledge from the spirit of the owl. It says, the spirit of the owl embodies wisdom and intuition, inspiring exploration of the life unknown and motivation to profoundly see. Ooh. And this is what it looks like inside, guys. The packaging they use makes it look like a little owl nest, so that's super cute. Looks like we have a piece of hematite, tumbled piece of hematite, so we can use that. And it also looks like we have the little pendant for this month, guys. I'm so excited. So this is the little gold box that comes with your magical pendant. What? This is so cute, guys. It's a little owl. So this is what the little owl looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. Kind of go with my outfit too. But this cute little owl, it says that it's a carved fossil palmwood owl. And yeah, it's so cute. Cute little thing. So this is a hand-carved fossil palm wood root owl pendant in 925 sterling silver. From being represented as the omen of death to the keeper of mysteries, the owl has long been recognized as an important symbol in magical practices from all around the world. The importance of the owl can be found within African, Asian, Sumerian, European, Hindu, Native American, and Western cultures, and covers a wide variety of meanings. In ancient Greece, Athena was associated with the owl and was considered the goddess of wisdom. In Sumeria, Babylon, and Akkadian cultures, owls are associated with Lilith. In Hinduism, the owl represents Devana, the goddess of Lakshmi, and is considered a symbol of wisdom, prosperity, and good luck. In addition, the owl has been considered by many cultures to be the messenger of the dead or spirits, and were said to be harbingers of dark powers and mysteries. In witchcraft, the owl represents an old soul and is said to be the keeper of ancient wisdom, as well as representing the gatekeeper of the Akashic realm. Sitting in complete silence, the owl positions itself to have a full view among its victims. One of the most prominent characteristics of the owl is its ability to observe and understand its environment. It is said that this very reason why the owl can access the mysteries. Being a nocturnal animal, the owl can see clearly in the dark and is said to have the ability to see past the veil of illusion and deception placed around us by man-made perception. It is within this exploration of the unknown that the owl can capture messages from spirits that are calling from the other side. As we work with and resonate with the energies of the owl, we step into the realm of the hidden or occult. It is within these moments that we can see more clearly and understand more deeply the purposes that surround us. We have decided to use fossilized palmwood or root in the carving of this owl. This very unique root is the result of great pressure that has fossilized the Indonesian palm over millions of years. It is said that just a small piece of the fossilized palm root is considered to have timeless wisdom and knowledge captured within. It is within the sacred nature of this specimen that we can find grounding and balancing energies able to assist us in dissolving fear and anxiety so that we may visualize our intentions more clearly. As we work with the spirit of the owl, take time to connect with its wonderful attributes. Work to understand how you can replicate these characteristics during times of divination and spirit seeking. How neat, guys. This is so beautiful. I knew I had a piece of this before. I think they did this in a snake. So cool, guys. So we can totally connect with the owl spirit guide and connect with it. That is so cool to work with that magical little creature. And what else is in this box, guys. I am super excited to see what else is in here. So it looks like we have a little magical anointing oil, some incense, and a beeswax spell candle. So it looks like we have the Keeper of Wisdom magical anointing oil, guys. So it's going to be so cool to use that pendant to connect with that spirit guide and tune in to see what knowledge it has for us. Ooh, this smells really good, guys. Like, oh my gosh. This smells amazing. It smells so good. I can't wait to use this and connect with that owl. Ooh. And it looks like we have a black beeswax candle, guys. And this totally reminds me of the black flame candle since it's Halloween with Hocus Pocus. But cute little black beeswax candle we can use to meditate upon the flame. Use it as a little protection beacon. And the last little thing it looks like we got, guys, is some incense. It's called the Messenger Incense. Ooh, this smells strong, guys, and fiery, so I feel like it's burning some protection around you while you connect with your spirit guide, or if you want to connect with the owl for this month. So I really love the Witch's Bounty Box for this month of October, guys. It was so magical, and I cannot wait to work with the owl totem. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon in the comment section and description box down below. Let them know that I sent you guys. They have such amazing magical tools and their subscription boxes as well. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you guys can be notified for more of my future content. And like always, from heaven to earth in this blessed time and space, may Goddess Nyx and the Ascended Masters bless you always. May you be rejuvenated in their loving embrace. Blessed be, guys. May we meet, may we part, and may we meet again, magical souls.